Hello, welcome to the final day of the Lake District North to South. And if you have made it this far, then please do like or subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Day 3, 30k, plus 100k to get out of this campsite.
No one needs a driveway that long.
Oh, sticking to the lane. Yeah. This must be the same stream as earlier.
Yeah, probably.
You know, that campsite?
Yeah. It's fresh water as well, I'd drink that.
Go on then.
Go on, man.
Not right now.
Odds on.
You said it.
I'm trying to read that, so I'm going to take a picture of it.
Just
No, it's reading now, mate. We'll wait. There somewhere. Do you want to go on the swings?
Hopefully we can speak to this pub and have 2 pints of Coke.
2, I'm having 20.
Sit that like. How's you feeling?
Oh, how I feel?
Yeah.
Just feet.
Just feet.
It's just my feet for me. My feet are just fogged. Hurt. My heart just hurt. Blister front and back. On both feet.
Yeah.
Just fogged. You know. That's how it is. You?
Follow me.
Hip.
How
Hip.
did you know?
Hip. Hip. Hooray, they say.
Soles of the feet.
Yeah.
Like the back bit of my foot, the heel.
Yeah.
I thought I were called them. Just the heels.
And the ball of your foot.
Yeah, just smashed.
These sachets are 10 grams. Even if you carry 100 of these in your bag, that's a kilogram. I don't know why that popped in my head. The bottom of your bag was just loads of little sauces.
You're pissing me off.
You could use them as like energy gel. Oh, horseradish.
Oh, vinegar. What's he doing?
Just getting some breeze.
What is he doing? So how much am I getting paid to be your cameraman?
You?
Yeah.
One. Yeah.
1 milli.
You know, get to the Oxford place.
Yeah.
There's another pub with down another pint of Coke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I am. We're down 7. I'll get belly aching. Oh, not Wascam. Not Wascam.
What's the job though?
Yeah.
He don't know what's happening.
Look at this hill. Look at it. Look at this hill. Look at it.
Don't look at it.
I'm looking at it.
Don't.
Well, that hill made me sweaty. Oh, my legs are hurting now. There's a pub just up here. And down. A pint of cold Coke. Go in the toilet. And then plod on. I can see the pub. Oh my god. Green and then like odd. Green odd.
Fried itself.
Green odd?
They are.
Yeah.
They're lithium back.
Don't even if you don't die.
The Vitran you're in? That's a pub?
Whereabouts do you want to stop in Green odd?
As soon as we get to that fucking sign, I'm stopping.
Whoa! Tell him to piss off.
I mean, there's the Britannia Inn, which is literally like on the outskirts of it.
Outskirts?
Yeah, but it's up, so you'll meet it higher.
Yeah, we'll get there first. That's the first pub.
Oh, that's alright then.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Yeah, so we've got about 5k left. So, cheer him.
Yeah.
Pee-poo.
I'll get you little treats together.
Treats? What treats?
Oh, babes, I'm not even telling you because they're so good.
I said I hope when Jess picks us up, she's got some nice treats for us, like a can of pop.
I've got more than a can of pop.
Oh.
She's got us all Stellas. I love you.
Love you, buddy.
Love you, bye.
Your wife is mint. You found a good wife. Now look, what you've done. What you've done. You've done this. You've done this, Joe. Oh, where am I going? Oh, where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, where am I going? No one knows. Even I don't know where I'm going.
Foot cam, foot cam, foot cam.
What's that? What's that?
This is the worst bit if he scrapes my blister. That bit.
I love that noise. Where are we going, boys?
Yeah.
First sign.
Less than a K now. Less than a K. Oh. Oh, fucking hell.
Ooh, they're sharp
Oh, yeah.
on your butty.
Stuff these walls be meant for sitting on. But I'm going to sit on it anyway.
Mm.
Looks like it's like road, like gravel on top of it.
Yeah, they've had a bit of spare time.
Yeah,
they've gone
just a
off.
bit spare.
Just put it on
Bang
top
it
of
on
the
there, be
wall.
right. Not far.
Really bad.
I don't want to be in there.
Yeah.
That's the pub. That's the pub we're stopping. It's just up here.
I can't make it, boys.
I don't think I can.
I'm done.
I'm just going to get in this grip bin and cry.
How much further, Joe?
Oh, about 20k.
Don't piss me off. How much further, Joe?
About 132 more steps. Oh, this is it. Get me in there. Well, there's a seating area around back and shade and stuff here. Just took the weight off your feet. It's like got a pint.
Since we're doing the sharp rocks and things. What the hell, Joe? Baby?
Oh, it's made me feel better.
I might have to get a pint then.
It's made me feel better, it generally has.
Will you take the phone and pay for it?
Yeah. Never again.
Never again, ever.
Next year.
Until next time.
Yep, until next time. I've only had a bowl of chips today, so I'm gonna be moving.
Wascam. Fuck me, this is epic. Oh my god.
You're coming like 40 kg.
I've got all the bags.
Thank you. £5.
I don't know.
He said,
He did it to himself.
He said, I'll carry more than shall I? So he is.
Come on, boys.
This is
How did you get
horrendous.
here?
I'm all this way.
Take these off.
Yeah.
You're my favourite.
Hi, people. Oh, people. People, thank you. I miss you, little boy.